Unraveling the phrase, get ready for work. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very common and practical phrase, get ready for work. We'll explore its meaning, usage, and some interesting nuances that come with it. This is a phrase you'll often hear in daily conversation, so understanding it is key to improving your English skills. Get ready for work is a phrase that seems simple, but it packs a lot of meaning. At its core, it means preparing oneself for the professional part of the day. This preparation can include a variety of activities, such as dressing in work attire, eating breakfast, or gathering necessary items for the day. It's a phrase that's universally understood and widely used in English-speaking countries. Let's break down the phrase. 1. Get. This verb is often used in English to indicate the start of an action. 2. Ready. This adjective means being prepared or in a suitable state. 3. For, a preposition that here indicates the purpose of getting ready. 4. Work, refers to one's job or professional activities. When combined, these words create a directive. Start preparing for your job or professional activities. This phrase can slightly change depending on the context. For example, getting ready for work indicates the person is currently in the process of preparing. Got ready for work implies the person has completed their preparations. Also, the phrase can be adapted for different situations, like, get ready for school, or, get ready for the meeting. The structure remains the same, but the context changes. In practical terms, you might hear this phrase used in several ways. In a household, I need to get ready for work. Can you please make breakfast? In a reminder, don't forget to get ready for work early tomorrow. In a question, are you getting ready for work now? Understanding these uses will help you grasp the nuances of daily English conversation. I hope this video helps clarify the meaning and usage of get ready for work. It's a phrase that you'll encounter frequently, and understanding it will definitely enhance your English communication skills. Remember, language learning is a journey, and each step, no matter how small, is progress. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next video.